Understanding, wake up repeatedly. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound simple but carries a lot of depth. Wake up repeatedly. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English journey, understanding these types of phrases can really help you sound more fluent. So, let's explore what it means to wake up repeatedly, why it happens, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. Wake up repeatedly means to wake up several times during the night, instead of sleeping continuously until morning. This phrase combines two key components: wake up, which means to stop sleeping, and repeatedly, which means happening many times. Together, they describe a common experience that affects many people's sleep patterns. There are several reasons why someone might wake up repeatedly during the night. These can include stress or anxiety. Worries can interrupt your sleep cycle, causing you to wake up often. Health issues. Conditions like sleep apnea or acid reflux can disrupt your sleep. Environmental factors. Noises, lights, or even uncomfortable temperatures can make you wake up. Lifestyle choices. Consuming caffeine late in the day or using electronic devices before bed can affect your sleep quality. Understanding these causes can help you make changes to improve your sleep. You can use wake up repeatedly in several contexts to talk about sleep quality. Here are some examples. Sharing personal experiences. Lately, I've been waking up repeatedly, and it's really affecting my energy levels. Giving advice. If you find yourself waking up repeatedly, it might help to limit screen time before bed. Discussing health. My doctor said that waking up repeatedly at night could be a sign of sleep apnea. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to wake up repeatedly and why it might happen. Remember, if you're experiencing this, it's important to consider potential causes and ways to improve your sleep. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Sleep well and speak English confidently.